Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to deregister your Amazon Echo Studio. This process is essential if you're planning to sell your device, gift it to someone, or simply reset it to factory settings. Let's walk through the steps to get this done quickly and efficiently. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Account. This will take you to your main account management page where you can control various settings. Now scroll down through the different sections until you find Devices. Click on it to access all the devices linked to your Amazon account. This is where you'll be able to manage everything from your Kindle to your Echo devices and more. Although I don't have any Echo devices registered at the moment, I'll walk you through exactly what you would see and do if you had an Echo Studio to deregister. Let's pretend that I'm deregistering the Amazon Echo devices so you can follow along seamlessly. When you're on the Devices page, you'll notice different device categories listed. From these options, select Echo. This filters the view to show only your Echo products, making it easier to locate the specific device you want to manage. Once you've selected Echo, you'll see a list of all your registered Echo devices. From this list, click on your Echo Studio. This action will open up the detailed settings page specifically for that device, where you can view information and modify various configurations. Look for the option labeled Deregister in the device settings. This button is what you'll need to click to begin the deregistration process. Clicking Deregister initiates the removal of the device from your Amazon account, which means it will no longer have access to your personal information, music preferences, or any other data tied to your account. After you click Deregister, Amazon will ask you to confirm your decision. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove a device you still want to use. Click Deregister again to confirm. Once you do this, your Echo Studio will be completely deregistered from your account and ready for a fresh start. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deregistered your Amazon Echo Studio and the device is now disconnected from your account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.